Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm here making a card for the Not Too Shabby design team using stamp set called You, Me, and Pumpkin Spice. This stamp set is part of a 4-part stamp set that was released for the fall by Not Too Shabby. The other one is called Fall Gnomes, and I've already created a card for Not Too Shabby using Fall Gnomes. I'll have it at the end of this video. I'll have a direct link to that card video. It's really cute. It's got the gnomes. There's also one called Critter Costume Party, and I have a video going up on my YouTube channel on the 25th, which is 2 days from now, and that one is really cute. I made a really cute Halloween style card for that video. It's actually a hop that I participated in. And the fourth stamp set is called Pumpkin Spice Everything. I'll have a link below in my description box where you can go and check out the new releases from Not Too Shabby. There is a discount if you purchase all 4 of the stamp sets in your one order. And there's also an everyday discount code of 10% off your order. It covers mostly everything in the shop. So what I'm using is Arteza colored pencils and Gamsol. Gamsol is a mineral spirit that is contained in this plastic bottle with a spongy lid. What it does is it helps to smooth your coloring with your colored pencils. Also, I'm using these blending stumps. Blending stumps are basically rolled up and compressed paper made into a pencil. You use it with your Gamsol. What you do is you color your image, then take and dip your blending stump in the Gamsol, and then take that over top of what you just colored, and it smooths it out. I don't know if you've ever noticed before, but with colored pencils, sometimes there tends to be lines with the lead when you color it to your image. And the Gamsol helps to completely smooth that out so you don't see any of the lines. The first image here is the girl, and she's holding a pumpkin spice latte or whatever beverage you can think of in her hand. And my favorite color is purple, so I'm making her shirt purple, and her leggings are going to be purple and bright pink. I also already colored in her hair with yellow and a little bit of brown. I also colored in her face, neck, and arms with a color that's called Peaches and Cream. And I put a little bit of the ruby red down for her lipstick. I'm going to be speeding this up for the sake of time because I am showing a couple different techniques in this video. I'm showing the coloring with the colored pencils, and then I'm going to show how to create your own background paper using stamps from this release. Yes, for this card, I did pull in a few other elements. I pulled in the pumpkin and the mushroom, one of the mushrooms from Fall Gnomes, to finish off my card. What's nice about this release is you can mix and match and combine sets. They all go together very well. All right, we're getting her leggings colored now with a magenta pink color. We already did half of her leggings with purple, and I'm also going to color her cup, same color as her pink in her leggings. And I'm going to give the cup a blue lid. I'm going to jump over to my first squirrel and give this squirrel a blue scarf to match the lid that the girl is holding with her coffee cup. While I'm coloring my squirrels, I'll tell you a little bit more about Not Too Shabby in case you're not familiar with it. I'll have a link below in my description box on the Not Too Shabby shop website. Not Too Shabby is a online store that sells stamps from a variety of different companies and designs their own line of stamps. You can also pick up supplies there like inks, and they sell specialty papers, and there is an everyday discount of 10% off your order. and use my affiliate links to get that 10%. My affiliate link is basically embedded in the information below. So if you could please do me a favor and shop by using the link below, I'd greatly appreciate it. That gives me an affiliate uh, credit so that I can then be able to get other things at the Not Too Shabby shop to share with my viewers on my YouTube channel, whether it be for prize giveaways or to demonstrate techniques with on YouTube videos. A little bit about my channel. I recently reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm at, I think, 1,400 right now. And I do a combination of recorded videos and live videos. Not all of my videos are voiceovers. I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you know when I'm going live, and that way you'll have the opportunity to check out a live. Also, so that you could learn about the giveaways and the contests that I have and be eligible to win the prizes. I'm using a burnt sienna and also sort of like a reddish brown color. And then I went and did some outlining in a darker color. And then I used Gamsol to blend. I'm going to show you now how I made background papers using VersaFine Clear inks. I used a bunch of different colors. I used pinecone, not acorn, fallen leaves. I don't have acorn. I wish I did, but I don't. Glamorous, tulip red, summertime, cheerful, just a variety of different fall colors and a variety of different fall leaves. There's really no rhyme or reason here as I'm putting the stamps down onto my card using these different inks. I think that the variety makes it look like a genuine background paper and not something that I stamped. There's nothing wrong with stamping your own background paper, especially in cases like this where the theme goes along very well with the card you're designing. Making this paper on a brown colored of it's like a shiny paper, but it's not real shiny. It's like a satin paper. I forget the exact name of the paper. It's not really shimmer, but I guess you can say it has shimmer to it. It doesn't really pick up very well on camera. I did fast forward through the section, but here you can see the finished product, what the background paper looks like. I think it turned out really cute. It's super fall style, very autumnal. Now, I have my images that I cut out with my Scan and Cut, and I brought in a tree stump from Lawn Fawn. This tree stump is called Lift the Flap Meadow. It is a die, and I purchased it a while ago from Not Too Shabby. The idea being that you could put a little critter inside the tree stump, which I thought that would have looked cute with one of these images, but they're just a little bit too big to fit inside the tree stump. And they would be not facing the center of the card if I put them in the tree stump. So instead, I put them one on top of the tree stump, one to the side of the tree stump. Then I put the girl with the latte on the card. I'm just using blocks to hold those pieces down while the glue dries. And then don't mind this pumpkin. I don't know what I was thinking, but I had this pumpkin from another stamp set, but I didn't use that at the end. At the end, I used a pumpkin from another of the stamp sets in this new release, the gnome one, the one that's called Fall Gnomes. That's what I ended up using. And I did stamp the sentiment "Hi friend," and I used a heart shape to die cut that out. So I did actually stick with that. But you're going to see at the end here what my cards look like. So this is actually not the finished product. It's very close to my finished product, but it's not the exact finished product. What I did was, as again I said, I grabbed a couple items from other stamp sets and pulled them into this card. I'm stamping this big sort of cornucopia-like pumpkin spread there. Just reminds me of something you would see at Thanksgiving because it has um, like the really cool fall look to it. And I put a foil edge around my background paper. It's a rose gold foil edge. Now we're going to switch to the still shots and you'll get a better idea of how I modified this. There's that gorgeous pumpkin from Fall Gnomes. Looks great with this. There's the acorn from the one stamp set that I'm using today. And the mushroom also is from the Fall Gnomes. But the acorn comes from You, Me, and Pumpkin Spice. And here's the finished card. Thank you so much for watching my channel and checking out this card. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that bell so that you're notified of my upcoming videos. Thanks, everybody. Have a hopeful day. Bye bye.